Hello Stampers, and welcome to Laura's Stamp Pad. I'm sure you've heard that Stampin' Up! Has released a second set of Sale-A-Bration goodies. There are goodies at both the $100 level and at the $50 level. And today I'm going to show you the two new papers that are both at the $50 level. So this is one of them. It's this fabulous So Very Vellum Specialty Designer Series paper. It comes in 3 colors, which I'm also going to show this with Whisper White behind it so that you can see the colors pop a little bit more. But it comes in Pool Party, Purple Posy, and Soft Sea Foam. So a little bit of that blue, purple, and green, which is just perfect for spring colors. There are 6 total sheets in the pack, 2 each of these 3 colors, and you can see that they are embossed and have that super fun texture. So there's like dots that are in like a square pattern and then a dot in the center. So I'm going to show you with some Whisper White behind it so you can see it a little bit better. So this is that fabulous Pool Party. And then we have the Purple Posy. And we have our Soft Sea Foam. Now I want to show you the second set of paper that is in the $50 level for Sale-A-Bration, and that is this Flowering Foils Specialty Designer Series paper. It is both rose gold and silver, and because it has that fabulous white background, you can color this any color you want with various coloring tools such as markers, Stampin' blends, sponges, and sponge brayers. So many fun ways to use this gorgeous paper. Of course, this is 12 by 12 and there are 4 single-sided designs. The pack comes with 3 each of those 4 designs. Now I'm going to go through each one so you can see just how fabulous it is. What did you guys think of the new Sale-A-Bration Designer Series papers that are out at the $50 level? I am super loving the flowering foils because 1, it's got bling on it, and 2, it's flowers. You guys know how much I love flowers. So I can't wait to use that paper as is for a really simple, elegant card with just that foil and white. Maybe add like some black in there too, but I also can't wait to color it with, I'll probably end up using sponge daubers or the sponge brayer, but you just never know what I might try to come up with for a fabulous sample there. I do love the vellum because I think it's very subtle in its colors and it's very springy, and I like that little bit of texture too. Although I will say I don't tend to use vellum a lot because I kind of forget about it. So I hope this sparks my vellum interest and I can't wait to play with it. Of course, I'll be posting pictures of finished projects on my blog, laurastamppad.com. You can also check out all the other Sale-A-Bration goodies that you can earn for free through the end of this month. So don't forget to stock up on all your favorite items and earn so many free fabulous goodies because now is the time to do it. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Be sure to subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys all next time. Happy stamping. Bye-bye.